Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where the past meets the present through legendary wheels. Today, we dive into one of the most iconic muscle cars ever built, the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, reimagined for 2024. Yes, you heard that right. This classic beast is back, combining vintage design with modern-day upgrades. If you're a Camaro fan, you're going to love what Chevrolet has done with this timeless machine. Let's start with the exterior, which stays incredibly faithful to the 1960s design but with just the right touch of 2024 sophistication. The body lines are still bold, muscular, and aggressive, staying true to the pony car DNA. The front fascia features a blacked-out grille that's reminiscent of the original RS trim, but this time it's sharper, with integrated LED headlights that blend classic round housing with futuristic precision lighting. The hood still carries that signature cowl induction style, giving the car that performance-ready attitude even when parked down the sides. You'll notice subtle enhancements in the fenders and sculpting. The 2024 remake keeps the original profile, which is a nod to its heritage, while adding new 20-inch forged alloy wheels and low-profile performance tires for a grounded, track-ready stance. The rear end finishes off the look with split LED taillights and a dual exhaust setup that looks mean and sounds even meaner. This is no garage queen. It's built to be seen, heard, and driven. Under the hood, Chevrolet has swapped out the old big block V8 for a modern 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine, the same one used in the recent Camaro SS. This powerhouse cranks out 455 horsepower and 455 pounds-ft of torque, giving the car an incredible blend of old-school feel and modern performance. Acceleration is brutal. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in at just 4.1 seconds, and the top speed is electronically limited to 165 miles per hour. For a car that still looks like it belongs in 1969, those numbers are truly impressive. Handling and performance have been upgraded as well, thanks to a completely modern suspension system, featuring magnetic ride control and Brembo performance brakes. This Camaro feels stable, sharp, and responsive whether you're tearing up a mountain road or cruising the city streets. The steering is tight, the feedback is precise, and the car remains composed through tight corners and hard braking. It's not just about power, it's about control. And this Camaro delivers it with confidence. Fuel economy, as you might expect, isn't going to break any efficiency records, but it's surprisingly decent for a muscle car. With the 10-speed automatic transmission, the 2024 Camaro delivers an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city and up to 25 mpg on the highway. That's a solid improvement over the original 1969 version, which was never really designed with fuel economy in mind. So while this car is still a gas guzzler compared to hybrids or sedans, it's not as painful at the pump as you might expect for a 455 horsepower V8. Now let's talk price. The base version of this 2024 Reborn Classic starts around $70,000, and depending on the trim, options, and custom finishes, it can stretch past $90,000. That may sound steep, but remember, this isn't just a car, it's a statement, a piece of rolling history updated for the modern era. You're not just paying for performance specs, you're paying for a legacy that's been redefined without compromising the essence of what made it great. In the end, the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro, inspired by the 1969 model, is everything a muscle car lover could ask for. It's raw, it's refined, and it's ready for the road. The balance between classic looks and modern performance is nearly perfect. It's the kind of car that makes heads turn and hearts race, and in today's world of high-tech, overly quiet EVs, this Camaro is a loud, proud reminder of what real driving feels like. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video and love retro rides with modern vibes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Old Studio Car. Got more timeless classics coming your way, so stay tuned and keep those engines roaring.